Finance practice exercise number 13. You want to be able to withdraw $30,000 each year for 25 years. Your account earns 8% interest. How much do you need in your account at the beginning? So it seems to me that our withdrawal amount is $30,000 and we're looking for our principal. And so our time is 25 years. And since we want to withdraw this every single year, that will make our N 1. And our rate is 8%. Okay, we'll pause this while I set it up into the formula. All right, so when I enter this into my calculator, I should get, rounded to the nearest penny, $320,243.29. So that was A. B asks, how much total money will you pull out of that account? Well, remember that $30,000 was how much you withdrew every single year for 25 years. So let's calculate that. So $30,000 every year for 25 years will yield $750,000. So when they ask you how much of that money is interest, okay, this is how much we needed to be able to have into the principal that we need in the account to be able to withdraw that $30,000 every year. But when we don't take everything out, the remainder is still earning interest. So we end up being able to pull out this amount, okay? So this right here is made up of interest and also what we originally put in, okay? So we can just subtract the two. Okay, and we should get $429,756.71. That's how much interest is. Again, this is not a simple interest problem where you do principal times rate times time. It's not a simple interest issue.